especially for this council tonight and their decision making. In your name we pray. Amen.
Allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Resolution 4502, King.
Amends the current fiscal year budget as shown on the attached exhibit A.
Fred, move for approval of resolution 4502, King.
Second.
Motion and a second. Any discussion from the council? Any from the audience? Sir.
Yes, sir. Will.
Please come up here and give us your name and address.
I see. Yes. First,
Sir, please come up here and give us your name and address.
yes. I'm allowed to have my camera.
Go.
Is that a municipal ordinance? Is it a county, a state, or a federal ordinance?